everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thanks for shopping. Thanks for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2022 Ram 2500 Laramie. With just over 30,000 miles, this heavy-duty crew cab pickup truck does feature a 6.7-liter diesel engine. It is four-wheel drive, and it does have a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this Laramie well equipped with LED daytime running lights with high-intensity headlamps with LED fog lights, accompanied by front proximity sensors and tow hooks integrated into the front bumper. On the outside of this Ram, you will find it well equipped with tow mirrors and passive door entry. Looking inside with your Laramie trim, you'll have a lot of nice elements here, like your black and then your off-white stitching. Nice fabric here, looks like a suede material, feels like a suede material. Then you have your faux wood grain and brushed aluminum, and as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this beautiful pickup truck. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these beautiful leather and suede seats with your Laramie stitching right here, as you can see, with your gray piping. And of course, you do have power on both the passenger and driver side. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they will have features like your flow-through center console, USB charging, and a 115 outlet. And under the back seat, you can see you do have LED lighting, and underneath that you will have a fold flat utility surface. And making our way around to the 6.5 foot bed, you can see this Ram Laramie is equipped with a drop-in bed liner from Rugged Liner. And of course you have your LED lighting back here with your high definition camera and all your towing equipment. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your power options such as powered door locks, powered windows, and powered mirrors. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience, and as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. Here you can see all the tires are 15-30 seconds all the way around, and your brake pads are good to go as well, along with everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do this so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. And here we can see just over 30,000 miles on this Ram Laramie. As far as mounted controls here on the steering wheel, you will have a center selector for your center screen. And of course you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth with smartphone integration. To the right, you'll have your cruise control settings and a manual gear select. And bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system, you are met with an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. You can see this Ram is equipped with onboard navigation and services like AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity, and of course Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Making our way down, you can see a climate control section here, and this particular Ram does have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. And down below, we will have some more options for an exhaust brake, tow haul mode, and front and rear proximity sensors with your integrated trailer brake control. Down below you'll have charging. Looks like you have USB-C and USB and auxiliary for alternative audio. To the left we will have our 4-wheel drive selector with your neutral setting for a flat tow situation. And then here in the middle you will have a very versatile setup here. You can move these beverage holders back and forth here, and down below it looks like we have a 115 with plenty of storage. Spots for your mobile devices right here. But that's not all. Let's check out the top here. So you will have a nice deep storage console here, and then you'll have an upper compartment as well. Bringing our attention up top, you will see this Laramie is equipped with integrated garage door openers, bright LED map lights, and a control for your powered rear sliding glass. And of course, under the hood, you will have your 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. And as you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multi-point inspection, this Ram has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh PA state inspection. So if you're looking for a super capable heavy-duty truck with tons of comfort and convenience features, this next section is for you. This is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Ram. Starting up front here, minimal stone chipping. Looks to be in pretty good shape here. Maybe a few spots here in front, but your chrome grille inserts are in good shape. No chipping, no fading. Your headlamps are very clear, no hazing, no cracks, no condensation buildup, as well as your fog lights. Tow hooks, they do not look like they were used. Let's go ahead and look at the wheel and tire setup. Everything looks good there. No curb rash or anything of that nature. All your badging is good. Not no discoloration here on your tow mirror and your chrome, no peeling. Same with your door handle here. You will have some scuffs behind. Taking a look inside, no odors, no smoke odors. That's very important here at All Things Automotive. Looking at the headliner, very clean. Your leather seats are in good shape, no rips, no stains. So pretty good shape inside here in the showroom today. Looking into the back seat, carpets look brand new, and your back seats are unfazed. So not a lot of blemishes here on the inside. Let's go ahead and take a look at your bed. I'm not seeing any dents or dings in the vehicle body. We like to take care of that beforehand with our professional paintless dent repair specialist. Of course, you do have that drop-in bed liner. You will see some wear on that. So the bed liner, the bed was used, and that's okay. That's what trucks are for, right? And back here at the chrome bumper, no dents or dings. And a lot of times you'll see scarring on this trim piece on top of the tailgate, but not in this case, so really good shape. So I don't really think they used the bed, but you will see some discoloration here on the bed liner. No curb rash on that wheel. I'm coming up the driver's side now. Cab corners are good. Of course, we are looking at a 2022, but I like to be thorough and transparent. You're gonna have some scuffs behind each of the door handles here, as you can see. Paint match white with that little chrome strip and passive door entry. And ending up at the driver door mirror cap, chrome, no peeling. And then some minor cosmetic stuff here on that hard plastic. Other than that, really great shape here. Just in recap, we took a look at our 2022 Ram 2500 Laramie, guys. Just over 30,000 miles. A couple ways you can get a hold of us. You can call us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7 right from where you're sitting at right now and get yourself pre-approved. Super easy, only takes 10 minutes. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this Ram does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a beautiful day.